Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I am going to be doing a really fun collaboration with Emilee at Emilee's Paper Caper here on YouTube. I'll have her links down below. We decided we wanted to do a winter themed junk journal collaboration using mainly Dollar Tree products as well as what we have in our stash. And so what I wanted to do today was show you the things that I found that I wanted to use in my journal or possibly use in my journal. So let's just go ahead and get started here and I'll show you. I will be doing a giveaway on my channel of the journal that I am making during this collaboration. So if you would like to participate in that, you need to follow through on all of the videos that we've been making and leave a comment, be subscribed, and then at the end of the challenge, on the very last video when I do my flip through of the journal, you can enter to be in that giveaway. So yeah, so go ahead and let's get into what I will be using in my journal, and then go over to Emilee's Paper Caper and watch her video and see what she found at the Dollar Tree. So I'd be interested to see what we both found, if we found the same things or we found different things, because we live in two different locations. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what I found for this challenge. All right, I'm gonna go over here. The first thing I found was this Crafter Square, and it's kind of a silvery vinyl glitter paper. So I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet, but yeah, I found that. I've never used the papers like this, the vinyl papers from Dollar Tree, so let me know down below if you have and how well they work. All right, so I found that. I thought that would be fun. I found a pom-pom trim. I love when they have the pom-pom trims at the Dollar Tree because I use this all the time. And it's hard to find them normally at like Joann's or whatever. They don't always have all the colors. So I love that they've had a white. I have these wood snowflake shapes. So these will be fun. I could paint them white and maybe add some glitter to them or whatever, and use them in like a tassel on the outside, or I can use them to embellish the cover. Also, I found these white pearl beads that I can use in the tassel as well. And let's see, I found a few other things that I can use as embellishments. There's this ornament filler, and there's some really sparkly silver and iridescent, and these snowflakes. And I thought what I could do was possibly make like a shaker tag or something like that, or a shaker element on the front of the cover. So I thought that would be fun. And then I also found these blue iridescent beads. So all that will make a great tassel and embellishments. Let's see, as far as ribbons and things, I found these 3 ribbons, 2 different blues and a white with silver. And then I found a lace, of course. Let's see, as far as fabric, I didn't find any fabric this year as real fabric, the fabric squares they normally have, but I did find this really fuzzy sock, and so I was going to try and do something with this. I'm not sure what, but maybe make a snowman with a cap and use this for it. I don't know. Let's see. And then I also found this auto microfiber cloth, and it's looks like snow to me. So I thought that might be fun to work with. Never done that. And then I found these wood snowmen that I thought I could make a charm out of them and add this to the tassel. So that'll be fun. Of course, I needed more blue and white twine to tie together the signatures, so picked up this little trio here. And then I found these napkins. I thought they were super cute. So yeah, that'll be fun to incorporate. I can use them as pages. I can make them like decorate tags, all that stuff. Do some collaging with them. I also found these big snowflake ornaments. So those could go on the cover. Probably the cover. We'll see. And then my last few items. Sorry this is a short one, but I found quite a bit of stuff. I found 2 cards that I can incorporate in there. This one here, and I forgot the envelope with this. I don't know why, but I thought this one was really cute. It has glitter on it. And then I found this one, and I'm just going to use this part since this says Christmas. We were trying to make this more of just a winter theme. So I'm going to take this part off. It's the layered card, and I can either cover this up or just take that part off. That's probably what I'll do, just take that part. I can use these inside the book somehow, but I'm not sure how. Maybe make it into I can cut it here, or down here actually, make it into a belly band and just decorate that inside part. And then the last thing I found, well actually there's 2 more things. There's this one, and then I found some wrapping paper too. But I found this really cute bag, and I think either of these will be my inside pages or part of my cover. I'm not sure. But it's got glitter on this side, and then regular on this side, of course, and that on the inside. And then the last thing I found was this really cool wrapping paper. It's more of a vintage snowman paper. So I thought that would be fun to incorporate in there. I can cut the snowman out, like make little fussy cuts and add them to tags or pockets or pages. And then also just cut them into the size of my papers in my signature. So that's what I'll do with that. Possibly use it as the cover too. So yeah, lots of fun things that I found. Some of the things I found at the beginning of the season of when they first started putting out their Christmas items, and then some of them I found, you know, after that when they finally put everything out. So I know there's probably more things, but you know, once it gets to be closer to Christmas, things get crazy in the Dollar Tree. So, you know, anyway, hopefully you'll be able to join in on this challenge with me and Emilee, or Emilee and I, and just follow through. There will be 4 videos. This is the unboxing, and then 3 to 4 videos. So we'll do the unboxing today, and then, or we did it already anyway, and then the next time will be starting in the journal, and then we'll work through, and then the last one will be the flip through. So that will be the one that you can leave a comment there for the giveaway. Also, if you do the challenge with us and make your own journal, and you post it either on a YouTube video if you are a creator, or if you have an Instagram account, you can tag me. I'm at Creative Crafticality, over there. I'm sorry, my words aren't coming out today. And also add the hashtag WinterJJ Challenge, and I'll add you into the giveaway with another chance as well. So yeah, this will be fun. I'm really excited to see what Emilee comes up with for her journal, and if you guys participate, I'm excited to see what you're doing. So hopefully This gives you inspiration for the new year, and you will be able to follow through and come up with your own winter junk journal. Alrighty. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and go over to Emilee and watch her unboxing video. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Oh, so we're doing these videos once a week for the next 4 weeks, and they will be on every Monday. So hopefully you can watch them and follow along. So I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.